Hi everyone, today we're going to learn how to solve word problems the easy way. Word problems look scary, but they're just normal math questions written as stories. Step 1. Read the question. First, read the problem slowly. Don't rush. We're just trying to understand the story. Step 2. Find what you're solving for. Look for what the question is asking. That's usually the last sentence. Step 3. Choose a variable. Let's use x for the unknown. X just means the number we don't know yet. Now let's have an example. Example number 1. Sarah has a number. She adds 5 and gets 12. What is the number? Now we turn the words into math. Let x be that number. She adds 5, so that means x plus 5. She gets 12, and that means equals 12. So the equation is x plus 5 equals 12. And now we solve it. Subtract 5 from both sides. 12 minus 5 equals 7. So x equals 7. Let's have another example. Example number 2. Tom has 3 times as many apples as his friend. Together, they have 12 apples. Now how many apples does Tom have? So we turn words into math. Let x be the number of apples his friend has. Tom has 3x. Together means add, so x plus 3x equals 12. Now we solve it. X plus 3x is 4x. So that becomes 4x equals 12. To cancel out the 4, we divide it by 4. So x equals 3. And now we answer the question. Tom has 3 times 3 apples. So Tom has 9 apples. Now this is the easy word problem formula. When solving word problems, remember this order. First, read. Second, find the question. 3, choose x. 4, write an equation. 5, solve. And 6, answer in words. Final tip. Word problems are not hard. They just need to be organized. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more easy math lessons. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.